Hello friends, welcome to Cook Ruku Mommy channel. Let's see the recipe of the easiest mutton dum biryani which can be made in one single pan. I've made this using ready-made biryani masala, so let's see how it's made. For this I've taken 4 onions and chopped it into small pieces. If you have large, 2 is enough. Then I've chopped 2 large tomatoes, 2 green chilies slit in between. I've taken few mint leaves and few coriander leaves. Also we would require 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now here I've taken 2.5 cups of jeeraga samba rice. You can also take basmati rice. Now as I told you that it's a simple recipe, so we're going to make it in one single pan. So I've added 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. To it add 2 biryani leaves, 2 pieces of small cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cloves, 3 green cardamoms. Saute for about 1 minute. Now add the slit green chilies. Again saute for another 1 minute. Now add the chopped onions to it. Now remember that the flavor you get in biryani is because of the onions, so you need to roast onion for at least 4 to 5 minutes till it gets a beautiful brown color. After 4 to 5 minutes, let's add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute till the raw smell has gone, which will take approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Now I've taken half kg of mutton and let's add it to the mix. Saute it well in high flame for 1 or 2 minutes so that it's well mixed with the mixture. Now close the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's open the lid and give it a mix. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. I have taken Aachi biryani masala. Now mix everything well with the mutton. Now let's cover the lid and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now you can see that mutton has already started releasing water. Now let's add the chopped tomatoes to it. Mix it well. Now since we are not cooking mutton in pressure cooker, so it is very important that we cook mutton for a long period of time. Again close the lid and open it after 2 to 3 minutes. Now everything is well combined. Now let's add the mint leaves and the coriander leaves. After mixing it all together, let's add half cup of curd to it. A thick curd would do, but I had only thin curd, so I've added that. Now let's mix everything together. Now since I told you that I've taken 2.5 cups of rice, so which requires double the amount of water, that is 5 cups of water. So I'm adding 1 cup right now, and I'm assuming that mutton must have released at least half cup of water. And we have already added half cup of curd. So according to me, the pan is already having at least 2 cups of water. Now I had soaked the rice for at least half an hour, and now let's add it to the mix. Now as per my assumption, I had already added 2 cups of water. So now we have to add at least 3 cups of water to it. Now mix everything well and let the water boil. Once the water starts to boil, cover the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. Since we are making a dum biryani, we need to seal all the points. So I've taken a little bit of chapati dough and sealed the small opening. Now after 10 minutes, the biryani is ready to be served. The rice grains and the mutton are cooked well and well combined. Now you can serve this mutton biryani with some raita on your side. Enjoy this easy and delicious recipe of mutton dum biryani. That's all for today guys. Do try the recipe and let me know. If you like the recipe, do like the video also, and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet. Enjoy the tasty mutton biryani. Take care. Bye.